I love the way this garlic chicken recipe came out. The chicken pieces are so flavorful and juicy. Oh my goodness. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let's go cooking. Thank you guys for being here again. If this is your first time here and you are enjoying the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. Today we are going to make a juicy garlic chicken. Here I'm using some boneless chicken thigh that is already clean and cut into small pieces. The season I'm going to use today is adobo complete season, some Cajun season, onion powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. Now that I add all my season, I am going to give my chicken pieces a nice rub to make sure the season is saturated right throughout every pieces. Once this is done, I will allow it to marinate to absorb all that lovely flavor. This could be done half hour or more. Here I have my pan nicely hot, melting my butter. That's about 3 tablespoons of butter with about 10 minced garlic. And you want to allow this to slowly saute for about a minute or so to release that nice garlic flavor because we are making garlic chicken. So we are going to keep this stir, and once about a minute or so, here I go ahead and have some minced chive just to boost up that flavor some more. So I am going to allow this to saute for about 2 more minutes slowly before I go ahead and add the chicken pieces. So now we have created a lovely butter flavor. This is so good for these chicken pieces. After adding the chicken pieces, I go ahead and stir the pot. And oh boy, while stirring this, that garlic flavor was hitting my nose. It smells so good. I mentioned that I am using chicken thigh. But if you like chicken breast, you can go ahead and use your chicken breast. And if you prefer chicken thigh, you can go ahead and use your chicken thigh. You can buy chicken thigh that is already deboned, or you can debone your own chicken thigh, which is much cheaper. What I am doing here is stirring the chicken pieces to make sure that lovely garlic flavor is saturated on each bite. After giving it a properly stir, I am going to go ahead and cover the pot. This will help to keep the chicken pieces moist and juicy. So after a few minutes, this is what the chicken looked like. Look at all that liquid. I didn't add any water. This is liquid that comes from the chicken itself. So here I add some soy sauce, and here I add some browning. This is just to boost the color up a little more. But if you like the color of the chicken, you don't have to add anything else to it because the flavor is so delicious. That garlic flavor is popping. But if you want a little extra color and you want a little soy flavor, go ahead and have a little soy sauce. Just in case you don't know what is browning, this is what browning look like. "15 to 20 minutes later, our garlic chicken is done. Here we have some juicy, mouth-watering, delicious chicken bites, and of course, flavor-rich. This is a lovely chicken recipe that you can have with your favorite side dish. What is your favorite side dish? Rice, potato, pasta? Drop a comment below and let me know what would you have with this lovely, tasty chicken recipe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, share this video with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.